I'm Kelly Jackson, Ames Community College Foundation Director. I am your Dancing with the Stars rep for the Fort Lupton Clubhouse Boys and Girls Club. My partner this year is going to be Todd Teeter. He is a UNC dance and theater student. He's also a dancer with the Colorado Dance Collective. There's probably a 50-year age difference between my trainer and me. So it's been fun to see how he moves compared to how I move. I know how to dance, that's a strength. Weakness is this is a new style of dance, so it's similar to some others that I know, so I'll just be moving my feet faster. The weakness is catching my breath in between all these moves because it's really high energy. Think old school. That's all I'm going to say. I'm here to support Ames, and I'm here to support Boys and Girls Club and our community and everything that we do for our kiddos. It takes a village. It takes a full community. In such a small community, we've got such a large contingent of individuals who are really supporting our youngsters to be successful, and that's super exciting. But I also am really curious to see what the others this year are going to do. There's some big hitters this year. All of my competitors know how to fundraise, and you're big in the community. I want to see if I can be as big as you.